What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do an update video on the Stihl RCA 20 pan pressure washer. Now as you can see, I was really surprised this thing got used today because you can see how much expensive this thing is. Like you can see, because like I said, the last time I used this thing was back in like where it did the blitz, but now I use it for the wheelchair and all the stuff you can see. But this is what I talk about. You can see this is still has the one attachment on, you can see. But as you can see, that's how much you expected this thing to go to. I know since the fact this thing is going to get used again at some point this weekend. I was supposed to this thing got used this weekend. And then even though the nozzle, you can see it's definitely expected. It's still got water in it still, you can see, because you know how I expected this thing to go. I know since the fact this thing is going to get used again then on the weekend. Or next weekend, I don't know exactly, which I know since the fact this thing is going to get used almost like quite a bit, because you can tell this thing's been used almost quite a bit, because I did use the garden hose attachment on it, you can see. Because you know how expensive this thing's like, you can see how much expensive. But this is quite nice looking machine in my opinion. I do like this thing line. And you can tell this thing's been used almost like quite a bit, because you see how much expensive this machine's been used almost like quite a bit. And what I expected this machine's been used almost quite a bit. I mean, this thing right here is actually going to get used almost like every single time of this machine exactly. But I mean, if you can tell, this thing actually looks very nice looking machine in my opinion. And this thing will get used again this weekend. And next weekend too, you can see, but this is a pretty nice looking pressure washer.